Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to create project briefs within Asana. To begin, open up Asana and navigate to the project where you want to create a brief. This centralizes all your project details, making it easier for everyone involved to stay on the same page. Next up, click on the Overview tab and then on Key Resources. Here select Create a Project Brief. The reason we do this is to ensure our project brief is easily accessible and linked directly to our project. Now that we've done that, you'll see a blank project brief template. Start by adding your project's name and a short description. This helps us because it gives your team an immediate understanding of what the project is about. Next, outline the project goals, deliverables, and timeline. Let me explain why this matters. Being clear on these elements from the start can significantly improve your team's efficiency and focus. Now, add any necessary attachments related to the project. This could be design files, spreadsheets, or relevant documents. Having these resources in one place makes it easier for your team to find what they need fast. Once you've filled out the project brief, click Save. Then, in the Overview tab, click Share and select your team members. This ensures that your project brief is accessible to everyone who needs it. And just like that, you've created and shared a project brief within Asana. It's a quick and effective way to keep your team aligned and your projects on track. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, clear communication is key to project success. Keep this in mind as you use Asana to manage your workflows. Until next time.